Hello friends, welcome to Going Out Point with me Suraj Nandrekar, and we are in Panjim today where the sitting MLA Babush Monseratte is vying for second consecutive term. Let's ask him what is the response he is getting from the people. Babush, how is the response from the people?
I'm getting very good response. First and foremost, we had this corporation elections 10 months back. They are doing a very good job. So that is the feedback what I'm getting. So basically that helps.
Yeah. Babush, last time you won against Siddharth. How different is this election?
See, we are fighting against. See, last time I was a Congress and Siddharth was BJP. Same way I see it as it is a Congress versus the BJP and no one else.
So you don't see any major challenge from Utpal?
No, see, I am just saying there are other candidates also in the fray.
Yeah.
But I am just saying our direct fight is with the Congress party.
Yeah. So basically, the surveys what have been done by the national TVs and the media is that it is Babush versus Utpal. How do you see?
No, I don't see it. See, this is just a hype which has been created. I feel that Congress candidate is very strong, so we are fighting basically the Congress. And all this while, for the past 25-30 years, if you go to see, it has always been the fight between the Congress and the BJP, never a fight between the any party and the independent.
Yeah, Babush, you have done a lot of development works in Talegaon, and as you were the MLA in Santa Cruz also. What are your plans for Panaji once you are elected?
See, there are a lot of plans. I always believe development is a continuous process. Like if you go to see my manifesto, what last time we had mentioned, this time in this fresh manifesto it will not be seen. So those are the things which are in pipeline, and basically works have already started on that.
Your opponents have been actually screaming about just one thing about casinos. What do you want to say?
No, as I said, no. Casino, there is as far as 10% of the people are concerned, or Panjim are concerned, they have got some issues as far as the casino is concerned. They don't have an issue as far as the casino actually. They have got an issue as far as their parking and all. As far as Saint Sebastian and all this thing. So these basically the people who are working for the casinos, they park their bikes, whatever cars and all, right, left and left center. It becomes basically difficult for them to come out of the house. There are so many businessmen actually who has come to me and say, almost 90% who has come to me and said that if we close the casino, we will be totally out of business and will be starving. That's the reason. So that our main focus now will be, as far as traffic management is concerned, to take care of those 10% of this people who are basically their access is basically be blocked by.
Basically, Babush, the thing is, main people are because of this traffic jam, because of casinos, and you see the pay parking which has been done, actually, which was done without any planning. So the thing is, how would you shift all this parking there?
No. See, as far as pay parking is concerned, I think I stand by it. That we have done a very good.
Not the multi-level parking.
So that is the reason what happened. We need this. This is the business of as far as the traffic department is concerned. Yeah. Traffic department, we in tandem with the casino people, who are running the casino, they should basically tell that all their people, whoever are working for the casino, basically they should park their vehicles there. Then if they do that, automatically this is the job basically of the traffic. We are facing this problem just nothing because as far as the casino is the thing which is there. But the other thing is that why we are facing this problem is because of the parking place. So it is there is no proper system as far as traffic is concerned, and I believe traffic police is not taking a proper line on it.
Yeah, another problem Panjim is facing is about Santinez Nalla, Babush. What is your plan?
That is the reason what I'm saying. Now don't call it Nalla. Yeah. They say Santinez Creek. The moment you say Santinez Nalla, people start getting angry. Yeah. They're saying that is not a Nalla. See, that is the reason what I'm trying to say. What I had mentioned in my manifesto last time and this time, you will see change. There will be no mention as far as Santinez Creek is concerned because work is already started on that.
Babush, last one question. What do you think? BJP will form the next government?
I am confident we are going to get at least 27 seats. I have said from day one till I'm saying it right now also. We are going to get 27 seats and we will form the government under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Thank you very much, Babush, for giving us time. Thank you.